Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this home and living series today, we're going to be reviewing this power tool for your power drilling need. The BOSCH GDR 120Li Professional Cordless Impact Driver or wrench. So this is one impressive power drill. So in today's review, we're going to be covering on the features, performance, and whether it's worth the investment. So first off, let's talk about the features. The BOSCH Professional Cordless Impact Driver is part of BOSCH Professional line, which means it's designed for heavy-duty use. It's a cordless impact driver or wrench, which makes it incredibly versatile. So you're not wired or hard connected to an outlet, so you can use it in all sorts of situations. It's powered by a 12V battery, which provides a good balance between power and portability. And because it runs on battery, you can get more work done on a single battery charge. Now the most crucial part, the performance. So the BOSCH driver really drills it here. It's a compact tool, but don't let its small size fool you. It's got some serious power. It delivers up to 100 Nm of torque, which is impressive for a 12V tool. I've used it for lots of things. Here I'm loosening tight and rusted screws. The impact mechanism makes quick work of even the toughest tasks and screw. Then the ergonomics are vital when using a tool for extended periods, and BOSCH has paid attention to this. The grip is comfortable, and the overall design is compact and well balanced. So is the BOSCH GDR 120Li Professional Cordless Impact Driver or wrench really worth it? Well, if you are a professional tradesperson or DIY person, I'll say absolutely. It runs on battery feature, solid torque and cordless design make it a versatile and powerful addition to your toolkit. While it's not the cheapest option out there, but when you consider its performance and BOSCH's reputation for durability, it's an investment that can pay off over time. So thanks for watching, and if you want to get this BOSCH Professional Cordless Impact Driver, I'll put the referral links in the description below, where you can get it on Amazon and Shopee. For every successful and completed sale, I'll get a small commission from the sale. So if you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel below for more content like this. And if you have any questions, or if you have used this cordless impact driver, I would like to hear your thoughts. You can share them in the comments below. So I'll see you in the next review.